Yo, what is up, guys? It is Motovlog day, and we are back on the Harley Davidson, boys. Huge shout out to my brother for letting me film this video. I will get into it when we were on the road of why I am on the Harley Davidson, but let's go get this Motovlog started. Are we ready to hear them bald eagles roar? All right, ignition. Here we go. Let the bald eagles ring. All right, boys, it's Motovlog time. I'm not gonna try to bore you too long, but basically the reason I'm on the Harley Davidson today is because I've just about had the worst week that anybody could have, okay? I'm gonna get into it a little bit and show some footage on why, but basically, so about 4 days ago, okay, and I want you to keep in mind, this happened back to back to back to back days, okay? 4 days ago, I went to take my bike to the car show. Pretty normal, do that all the time. Right, every month, first Saturday of each month, I take my bike to the car show. I noticed when I'm at the car show, the bike starts kind of sounding funny. It sounds a little bit off. You know, I put thousands and thousands of miles on that bike. I know what it sounds like, and it just sounds a little funny. So I'm like, you know, I'll get off, check, see what's wrong with it. I noticed I had a gasket that had split, and it started to leak a little bit of oil, and it was low on oil. All right, fuck me, okay? So I really couldn't take it to the car show. So I kind of just chilled inside, didn't really do much. The very next day, okay, I went to go play some basketball, which, by the way, your boy's kind of nasty on the court. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm kind of nasty on the court. And I noticed when I was coming back that I had a flat tire. So fuck me, all right? Bike goes down, car goes down. I end up taking it in to Goodyear. The tires are Goodyear, so I was like, you know, I'll go to Goodyear. Maybe they'll service it for free or something like that, you know what I'm saying? They wouldn't. They don't fix staples. I had ran over an industrial staple, okay? Here's a clip of that. Fantastic. All right, go ahead. Try to, yeah. Well, put your thumb on top of it, probably. Yeah, or something like that. Fuck, that hurts. Yeah, that. There it goes. Let's see it.
That's a long ass fucking nail.
Damn, look at that. All right, fuck me, okay? So I was like, whatever, you know, it's just bad luck. You know, bad luck, shit happens. The very next day, I went to go film a video for you guys. My brother had a friend that was going to be racing at our racetrack, our oval track at Colorado National Speedway. Fuck yeah, I've had a stressful time. Can't wait to go see some race cars. Haven't been there all summer. I'd love to go see some race cars. On the way to the racetrack, this happens. Well, look what we just did. That's a fucking bummer. So fuck me, right? Oh, all I can do is laugh about it. It's a bummer, is what it is.
Okay, maybe not.
Not the Bronco. The 4Runner. Dude, this is fucking crazy.
Oh, that beauty.
Oh, Jeep.
This is a long fucking clip. I'm not gonna lie.
You can't make this shit up.
Bro, this is a close. Oh no. He's flying.
Uh-oh. Subi. Truck. Ooh. So I have the parts. One of them should be coming today, actually, to help fix the car. And then the very next day, my uncle goes into the hospital. We have to call an ambulance for him, and he goes to the hospital. He's still there. He can't breathe. They think he might have pneumonia and maybe a blood clot in his lung. So, are you fucking kidding me? I'm really trying. I'm not riding fast today, even though my brother did say to have a little bit of fun on this bike, which we are going to do a little bit later. We are going to have some fun on this bike because I didn't really get to last time I had it. But as you can imagine, I really needed this, okay? And yes, I made a video here semi-recently on this canyon road. I need a little bit of a ride for myself, okay? I haven't been able to ride my bike because I can't go get oil from Honda without my car. And, you know, without my car, I can't, you know, do anything. So once again, while we're at the beginning of this video, huge shout out to my brother for letting me go get his bike and film this video for you guys, because I was just gonna do like a talking head video sitting at my desk, and I know this is more entertaining than me sitting at my desk talking to myself, right? At least I could talk to myself and look at this beautiful, beautiful scenery, right? So huge shout out to my brother. I'm not gonna mention the unfortunate series of events that have happened this last 5 days. I'm gonna try to clear my mind and have a great moto vlog on the Freedom Machine, okay, boys? So let's do that. I'm about sick and tired of this construction, boys. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Oh, is that an eagle? It's, oh, look at that. Just, hey, bald eagles all around. Eagle on the sign, Harley Davidson Freedom Machine, and my eagle tattoo. Oh, what could be better than this? Well, you know, not having my uncle in the hospital, my car breaking down, my bike breaking down, but let's happy thoughts. We need happy thoughts, right, boys? Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
This is actually the first time I've taken this Freedom Machine on canyon roads. I'm always kind of scared because, you know, as you can see how much closer we are to the ground. And yes, if you haven't seen my last Harley video, I am too short for this bike. I am basically, like, to change gears, I have to be completely, you know what I'm saying? But that's besides the point, okay? Golly, they have been doing construction on this canyon for a long time, though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, Jesus. It is kind of a nice change of pace, just like cruising. Not really, you know, when you have all that power underneath you, you want to use it all the time. And this bike's not slow. I mean, this bike is not by any means slow. My brother told me, literally specifically, he said, open her up a little bit. So we're definitely gonna do that. We're gonna do that. So stay tuned for that. But right now, I'm just, the week I've had, boys, I needed this. I needed this. Usually I go play some basketball to relieve my stress, but we can't do that. So, unless I want to ride my bicycle, which I'm in good shape, but not that good a shape. You know? Oh yeah, that was nice, boys. Oh God, that was, oh God, that just rung my bell. Did you hear that? Oh look, number 5 is a snake. It was a king cobra. Wait, what are all these cool ass animal signs? That was wicked. Should we get it to pop again? Here, you guys. Here, I'll let some freedom ring out for you. Woo! Ah, damn, I love this country. Woo! Look at all of these rocks. Wow. Ooh, those were some good series of pops. It went. These are a lot more explodey pops. Whereas my bike, they're more of like. Whereas these are more like. Yeah, it's hard to explain. If you know, you know. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? It's so unusual having a windshield in front of me. It's kind of nice. I don't really like it. My brother asked if you want, you know, okay, let me try that again. Let me try that again. My brother asked if he should take the windshield off for me, but I decided to leave it on this time. Give the old windshield a try. It's kind of nice not getting beat up by hell of a lot of wind, you know what I'm saying? Damn, look, like, how does that rock stay there? Oh, it's for rock climbers. I can see like carabiners and stuff on it. How do like rocks stay like that? Like these overhangs? How do they just stick together like that? Oh, a tunnel, boys. Well, you already know what that means. Let's give ourselves tetanitis. I've already got it, so there's no harm in making it worse, right? Here we go. Tetanitis. Should we rev it? Oh yeah, boys. Another tunnel, here we go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, we hit rev limiter. Woo-hoo-hoo! I haven't hit rev limiter before. My ears are ringing. I can't hear kinda.
Holy shit, dude, you alright? I can't hear kind of. I can't hear kinda.
Man, I'm not gonna lie, this was nice. I needed this. Oh, why does summer have to be almost over? What a bummer. Hopefully by next video I'll have the car and the bike fixed. Who knows? I had to order the parts through eBay, so God knows how that's gonna go, huh? Was that another Harley? It was. Must be coming down from Central City. I was gonna go all the way up to Central City, but I looked at the traffic and it's still, with the one-way roads, it's still like 40 minutes, and I don't want to do that. All right, boys, I sat here like 15 minutes just leaning on that fence, just staring at the creek. I'm a nature boy, okay? Not Ric Flair. Woo! Oh, we are still going to WWE. There will be a WWE vlog. Speaking of Ric Flair, and unfortunately Josh Libra couldn't go with me because his friend has a wedding, and obviously that's more important than WWE, but I am taking my brother. Actually, the person whose bike this is, he's letting me use his bike. I am taking him to WWE, and it's going to be a fun vlog because he's never been to WWE. He's never been to a WWE event in his life, so it'll be a lot of fun to vlog that. I'm sure it'll be super, super sick, but I needed that. I'm not going to lie, I needed that, boys. So we're gonna head on the road. Oh, I did just get an update on Snapchat. My uncle Snapchatted me that he has his oxygen mask off and he was able to eat a little bit today finally, so things are looking up. So let's go. W for that. Oh, I really need my car and bike back, boys. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, just look at this. That should be my catchphrase, huh? I should make a t-shirt that says, look at this. I need to get on that. Like, look at this big rock. Wow. Well, I don't know if that's a rock. That's a fucking boulder. I love on the way back down though, because you get to be right next to the creek. Here, you guys want? Here, I'm gonna give you guys a little 30-second ASMR of what it's like to be me. I'm gonna shut up. I've done it before. I'm gonna shut up and I'm just gonna ride, and you can see what it's like to be me. You ready, boys? Here we go. Oh man, there is nothing like it. Holy, what a great stress reliever. Oh Lord, that was so much fun. And the temperature is just perfect out right now. It's like 72 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. Oh yeah, I think coming down the mountain is, I think it's more pretty than going than up. Like, look at what you got coming down. Like this massive rock wall. Like, the waterfall, is it still going or is it dried up? It's a little wet. It's moist. Look at that creek. There, see, I said it again. God dang it. I gotta stop saying look at this. Yep, we hit the traffic. I can see the guy down there has a stop sign and I don't see any cars coming, so I know that means that they just let him through. So where's the kickstand on this bike? Found it. So we're just gonna put the old kickstand down and relax, fellas. Can we lay down on this bike? I can lay down on my bike. Oh, there's a bar here. Kinda. It's a little uncomfy, but not too bad. Well, we've been sitting here about 10 minutes. The cars just started coming and they've been going for a while. I've actually had time to get off, post the bike on my Snapchat story, and post from out of my Snapchat story. I'm telling you, boys, I say it every video. If you want to see updates of what I'm doing or where I'm at, Snapchat is the best place to do that. It's just easy for me because when I open the app, I have ADHD, so I want to do stuff quick. You know what I mean? So Snapchat is the easiest because I click it, open Snapchat, and it opens right up into the camera. So that's why I use Snapchat so much. So I'm telling you, boys, add me if you want to see the updates. We just started moving, boys. God, they've been doing that for so long. Oh, look, a bunny for number 3. Oh, fuck, I forgot to look at all the different signs. So we've seen an eagle, a bunny, a king cobra. Oh, well, I gotta keep my eye out for number 2. Whoa, what is this? Look at this Jeep is like in the middle. You see that? What the hell is that Jeep doing? It's a rental Jeep too. We're coming up on the last tunnel. Oh, you boys see, it's gonna be hard for you to see. I've actually climbed this mountain before. It was a lot of fun, man. It was sick. I did it like not too long ago too. I'm actually gonna go to Lookout Mountain too. I'm not gonna like vlog it, but I'll show little bits and pieces of it. I really want to take this bike up to Lookout, and I'm not really ready to go home yet. Damn, I just got blinded. What the hell just blinded the hell out of me? I wonder if you guys saw that. Damn, that was bright as shit. We're gonna get rid of the veins when we get onto the highway. You know what I'm saying? We got to. We have to. All right, you ready, boys? 15 miles an hour. That was to 80. All right, we're on Lookout Mountain Road. Ooh, looks like somebody lost some oil right there. That looked like me, for real, literally. What a beautiful day. I could have not asked for a prettier day. A tandem bicycle, look at them go. Do you guys want to see the road we were just on? That road where all those cars are is literally the road that we just filmed on. Isn't that crazy? Look at that, isn't that beautiful, boys? Oh, fuck me. I said it again. God dang it. I was getting ready to leave. I was pulling up trying to take a thumbnail. Dude, do you think somebody died right here? Look at this. Dude, somebody nailed this thing. Can you see? Like, look. It's like they hit there and they scraped all the... Look how bent this is. Dude, did somebody, like, die right here? Is there, like... Well, they... Look at that. I mean, they would have. Holy shit. I really hope it wasn't like a bike. Oh, I see a cross down there. That's not good. Once again, thank you to my little brother for making this whole entire video possible. Without him, I was literally going to be sitting at my desk talking, and nobody wants to see that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry it was kind of last minute, all the shit that happened, right? I mean, it's a bummer, but hopefully we can only go up from here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one on my bike, hopefully later.